Starting in Glenridding, follow the road out towards Birkhouse Moor. The path follows alongside Myers Beck and is well signposted at this point.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a
Go through the wooden gate and follow the path to the left.
in this toy.
The path then bends to the right as you head up Little Cove.
And everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe.
This is some of the steepest walking you'll encounter before reaching Striding Edge, as you climb around 400 metres to the top of Birkhouse Moor over a relatively short distance.
Need a friend to shake me out again.
As you reach the wall, the views really start to open up.
Need a friend.
The next section is quite steep in places, but gradually begins to level out as you bear to the right.
I don't know if I can find my way out. In this toy.
Once you reach the top of Birkhouse Moor, the path levels out for a while and you follow the ridge with the wall on your left. This is where you'll get your first glimpses of the Helvellyn summit and the jagged outline of Striding Edge. Eventually, you'll reach the famous hole in the wall, although first, you'll need to climb over it.
Fall into the ocean.
Once you're on the other side, the path begins to climb again and the terrain becomes noticeably more rugged. The start of the Knife Edge Ridge is quite abrupt as you come over the top of High Spying Howe.
I'm reaching out, I'm reaching. The water is rising over me. The water is rising.
The ridge begins with a short down climb. Take your time and try to maintain 3 points of contact as you descend.
The water is rising over me.
There is a narrow path that snakes below the crest of the ridge, but personally, I found it easier to stay higher and walk along the top. Make your own decision based on the conditions, your experience, and what you feel comfortable with.
I'm reaching.
From here, there's plenty of climbing up and down as you make your way along the ridge.
The water is rising over me. I'm reaching out.
Eventually, you'll reach the main down climb towards the end of Striding Edge. The route is classed as a Grade 1 scramble, so take your time and don't rush. There are lower paths that can avoid some of the more exposed sections if you don't feel comfortable staying on the crest.
I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this toy and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe.
Once you're past the down climb, you'll begin the climb towards the summit plateau. There's no obvious single path here, and you'll need to use your hands in places as you scramble your way upwards. remember to stop and look around every now and then. After all the hard work so far, the views are your reward.
Need a friend to shake me out again.
It's not much further now to the summit plateau. We did this walk in late November, so be prepared for snow and winter conditions if you're heading up at that time of year.
I don't know if I can find my way out.
Once you're up, the walk towards the summit is relatively flat compared with the rest of the route. There is also a stone wind shelter just before the summit if you need somewhere to take cover.
And everything is going up.
The summit itself is a broad plateau, and the trig point is easy to spot in clear weather. In poor visibility though, take extra care as there's a steep drop towards Red Tarn on the eastern side of the mountain. From here you've got several options for the descent. You can go back the way you came, take the easier western route down towards Helvellyn if you're doing a through hike, or descend via Swirral Edge to make the loop back towards Glenridding. We also went over Catstye Cam and accidentally took the path to the left, which led us down towards the old dam and added around 45 minutes to our walk back. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And please share it with anyone you know who's planning to climb Helvellyn via Striding Edge.
Water is rising over me. The water is rising.